guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get this bold full glam makeup look. I think that we can all agree that makeup can change our mood, it can change the way that we feel, our attitude. Right now I feel so confident in this eye look. For today's video I teamed up with IL MAKIAGE, and that's exactly the message and the vibe that they want to pass on everybody using their products. Be bold, be unapologetic, prioritize what makes you feel beautiful. That can be, let's say, a very intense eye look, it can be a bolder lip color, really defined brows, just anything that makes you feel empowered and confident. Go for it and never apologize for being you, right? I think that we need these kind of reminders in our everyday life because it's really important to express yourself and to show who you are without being afraid of what others will say. Be bold, be extra, be high maintenance. That's what they stand for. IL MAKIAGE recently launched in the US and they have a wide variety of products, and I'm gonna use some of them to show you guys how to get the look that I'm wearing today. So without losing any time, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I already have my face moisturized and primed, and now I'm moving straight to the foundation. I'm gonna go with the IL MAKIAGE Woke Up Like This foundation in the shade 045, and I'm gonna use their foundation brush to apply it all over my face. This foundation has medium to full coverage. I mean, it covers a lot. They have 50 shades from this foundation. It's pretty amazing, and the finish that it gives you is matte. What I love about it actually is that it's self-setting, which means that I don't need to use any powder on top of it to set it, because sometimes when I apply my foundation and then I go ahead and set it with some face powder, I feel like when I'm pressing that powder on my skin, I feel like this is removing some of the coverage that I achieved with that foundation, and it's really annoying. With this one I don't need to use any powder, which is great, and I have normal to dry skin. My skin, now let me tell you, my skin can get so dry sometimes, it can be a nightmare. And even though this foundation has matte finish, it does not exaggerate my dry patches. I feel like because of that beautiful matte finish, those of you with oily skin will love this. Alright, moving on to the brows, I'll use the IL MAKIAGE Brow Factor Brow Gel in the shade Truffles. I love the packaging of this. Check it out. I just need to squeeze out the amount of product that I need, and the rest of it, it's inside of the tube and it's not drying out. It stays nice and creamy inside there. By the way, I'm using their 170 eye and brow definer brush. Definitely going for some bold eyebrows today. You guys know that I love my bold brows, especially if I'm doing a full glam look. Like if I'm glamming myself up, my brows need to be on point. Now I'll go ahead and set my brow hairs in place with the IL MAKIAGE Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper. This is a tinted brow gel in the shade Truffles, and you can also use this on its own. Time to jump to my favorite part from every makeup routine, the eye makeup. I just love doing eye makeup. It's so fun, and their eyeshadows, sorry, I was about to drop that. Their eyeshadows blew my mind. Let me show you some swatches so that you can see for yourself. They're such a good quality. These are the IL MAKIAGE Color Buzz eyeshadows, and they come in singles, in quads, or you can also get the full pro palette with 12 shades inside. Look how pigmented they are. I was really impressed when I first used those because they were so easy to blend, and you can see the pigment, it's intense. So the first shade that I'm gonna use for today's look is going to be this one here, and this is the Quad Coat Trendsetter. So I'm just gonna pick that color with a nice fluffy brush. It's their 202 dual fiber blending brush, and this is going straight into my crease. Now I'm gonna switch to the 188 brush, and I'll dip it in this, I don't know how to explain this color. It's like a deeper berry shade. I don't know, it's pretty. So I'm gonna add that again in my crease. I'm just gonna keep it a little bit lower than the previous shade that I just applied, and this is gonna deepen up the crease a little bit more. I also had some of this brown shade here. It's called Bottoms Up. I'm using the same brush and I'm gonna buff that again in my crease, trying to keep it low. You know, I don't wanna bring those colors really up to my brow bone. It's like the shadows are melting into the skin. Now to add some depth in the outer corner, I'll go with this shade right here. This is from the Color Boss squad called Game Changer. And I'm pressing that in the outer third of my eye. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna diffuse it slightly in the crease right here. Just blending it with the crease colors so that it looks very nice and smooth. This is one of my favorite types of glam eye looks. You know, really deep outer corner, defined crease, and shimmery eyelids. I'm gonna add the shimmers in a while. I just love how it looks on me, and I feel like it looks good on so many people. Now let's go ahead and add those shimmers. I'm gonna actually use my fingers for that. Just a quick tip here, when you use shimmery eyeshadows, apply them with your finger. You're gonna get the best results. In the center of my eyelid, I'm gonna go with this Eyes on the Prize eyeshadow by IL MAKIAGE. Let me blend it out. I don't want to have this harsh line here, so I'll just kind of smudge it with the brown color next to it. This is like a foiled eyeshadow. It has very creamy texture, and if you wish you can also use a damp brush to apply it. I just prefer my fingers. It's just because I don't want to wash any extra brushes. Alright, and in the inner corner, I'm taking this shade here. I'm actually going to use my pinky. This is again that Game Changer squad, and as I already said, this is going in the outer corner of my eye. To be honest with you, it's kind of difficult to apply eyeshadow with your pinky. I definitely recommend you to use this one or this one. The pinky is kind of, I don't know, it's not really convenient because I don't know what to do with the rest of my fingers. Anyways, take my advice, use these two fingers when applying eyeshadows. Avoid your pinky. I'll smudge some of that brown shade called Bottoms Up along my lower lashes. And just a tiny little bit of that dark brown shade that I also used in the outer corner, and I'm focusing that in the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm loving this look so much. The only thing that is missing, some eyeliner. This is the IL MAKIAGE ink liner in the shade black. I'm gonna use it to create a really nice and fierce winged eyeliner there. And this liner is drying like immediately, which is great because you have no time to mess it up. I'm gonna give my lashes a quick curl and coat them with the Icon Mascara by IL MAKIAGE. Now let's go ahead and finish with the face makeup. I'll go ahead and bronze my face with this bronzer here. Have you ever seen bronzer in so cool packaging? Take a closer look. It has like a magnifying like glass on top of it. So unique, right? This is the IL MAKIAGE baked mineral baked bronzer in the shade Wannabe. This is not available on their website yet, but you can find it in their store in Soho or in the new store that they're opening in Miami. So if you're in that area, you can go and take a look, check out what they have. And I also add that on the top of my forehead. And the brush that I'm using is their 126 blush brush. Okay, bronzed and happy. And also some blush, it's called Bootylicious. And then, of course, some highlighter. I'm using the Mineral Baked Highlighter in the shade Halo. That's good. Look at that. In fact, don't look at that without any sunglasses, it's gonna blind you. Protect yourself, people! Don't say that I didn't warn you. I added some falsies to this look, and now I'll go ahead and line my eyes with the IL Makiage eye pencil in the shade Batman. I like that name. I'll keep that pencil just in the outer half of my waterline. I won't bring it all the way to the inner corner. Just right here. Okay, now all we have left are the lips, and I'm gonna give you two lip options for this look. The first one is going to be something more natural, something more toned down. The second one is going to be a bright red lip color. So let me know which one is your favorite. I'll start off with the more neutral one. This is the IL Makiage Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream in the shade Matte Gala. It's really similar to my natural lip color. I like the scent. If confidence had a scent, this is how it would smell. Alright, and this is the version of this look with more neutral lip color. They offer 27 different colors from this lipstick. They don't feel sticky and they're not transferring at all. So now let's go ahead and try out the red color. This is again their Infinity lipstick, but this one is in the shade Geisha. Ooh. Alright, what do you guys think? Do you like this look with red color on the lips, or you prefer the more nude one? Let me know down in the comments which lip color you think that looks better with this eye look. For me, I don't know, I like them both. I think that the red makes this look a little bit more classy, but the nude one was more neutral and the focus was going straight on the eye makeup. I think that the red on the lips looks really good with the gold on the eyes. It's just a really nice combination. IL Makiage also has these really cool palettes with lip colors inside. Oh, sorry, the lights were shining straight into them, but I haven't tried them yet. I would love to wear this shade here. It's like a very dark mauve color. Anyways, even though IL Makiage is a very new brand, I think that they joined the game with a lot of confidence. They came and they're like, we know what we're doing. We're here to shock you with some great quality and some really cool packagings. Their packagings are very unique. My favorite product from them are their eyeshadows, just because they're so easy to work with. They're very creamy, very buttery, very easy to blend, and also very saturated. Also, I love their foundation. It looks really good on the skin. It still blows my mind that they have 800 products. That's insane. So if you want to check out their products, you can visit ilmakiage.com. A link is going to be down in the description box. Just click it, it will bring you there. And also don't forget that you get 10% off from your first purchase when you sign up at ilmakiage.com. Also, they have free shipping on orders over $40 and free returns. A few of the products that I used today are not available on their website yet, but they will be really soon. They also have a store in Soho, New York, and a new one is opening in Miami. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you like the look. Definitely go check them out, take a look at their website. Other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!